Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make these healthy homemade burgers easily at home.
I am going to show you how to make the burger patties also.
If you are first time watching my channel, then please subscribe my channel. Let's start. The ingredients are burger buns. These are homemade burger buns, guys. You can see this recipe in my previous videos. I will give the recipe link in the description below. To make the burger patties, we need 1 cup of small pieces of boneless chicken, half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic ginger paste, 2 green chilies and 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. And we need breadcrumbs. This is optional. You can skip also. For the salad, we need half cup of grated carrot, half cup of grated cabbage. You can also use lettuce, cucumber slices, and we need cheese slices. This is optional. You can skip also. Half cup of sliced onion, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. This is homemade mayonnaise, guys. You can see this recipe in my previous videos. I will also give this recipe link in the description below. And 1 tomato sliced like this. And we need 1 tablespoon of chili sauce and 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. And for toasting our burger buns, we need burger and BBQ spread. It gives the best flavor to our burgers. If you don't find this, you can also use butter. And we need oil for deep frying the patties. These are the ingredients. I will give the ingredients list in the description below. Let's start. To make the patties, take a mixer jar, put the chicken, add the pepper powder and the salt and the garlic ginger paste, add green chilies and 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Grind it coarsely like this. Take oil in a small cup to apply your hands. Now take the chicken, make a round shape as shown and gently press to make round patty like this. Now apply breadcrumbs as shown. Now place this on a plate. In the same way, make all the patties. I am not using breadcrumbs for this patty. See guys, our patties are ready. These are with breadcrumbs and these two are without breadcrumbs. Now let's go deep fry them. Heat up the oil. Now slowly drop these burger patties and fry them on low to medium flame until they turn to golden brown color. Now take them onto a plate. See guys, our burger patties are ready. These are with breadcrumbs and these are without breadcrumbs. Now keep aside. Now let's make the salad. Take a bowl, put the cabbage and the carrot and the onions. Add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup and 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. Mix everything until well combined and keep aside. See guys, our burger patties are ready and salad is ready. Now let's toast the burger buns. Cut these burger buns as shown. Heat up the pan. and apply the BBQ spread. Toast these buns as shown. See guys, like this. Now take them onto a plate. See, our burger buns are ready. Now let's make the burgers. First put the base parts of the buns. Put 1 teaspoon of salad as shown. Now put the burger patties. Again put 1 teaspoon of salad. Now place the cheese slices and the cucumber slices and the tomato slices as shown. Now put half teaspoon of salad again. Now put the top part of the buns. That's all guys, healthy and tasty burgers are ready. Hope you guys like these burgers. If you like, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.